Convert text to video with AI. Do you want to convert your text to videos with AI? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So what you have to do is scroll down a little bit, and here you can see that there's this option of turn text to video. I'm going to click it. So here you can see that after I click the button, it brings me to this page. Here I can write my script, or I can ask AI to write my script, and also I can add a URL over here if I want to, and then just click create scenes. I am going to ask AI to write my script. You can use ChatGPT for this very option if you want to, and I'm just going to describe the script that I want to generate. Let's write health and let's see what it generates for us. I'm going to click generate now. Now let's see what script it generates for me, and once the script is generated, I'll tell you that how you can just create the scenes. So you can see over here my script is ready, and I can add a URL over here if I want to. If you're on a premium version, you can just choose iStock or premium. I'm on the free version, so I'm just going to go with this option. Now it has already broken down my scenes into parts. You have to just click generate and then just click create scenes, and it will give you a prompt of like rearranging your paragraphs, and you have to click yes. So let's create scenes. Now you can see that it's setting up my project, and my video will be ready in no time, and I'll be back once my video is ready. So here you can see that my text has been changed into video, and if you want to change your text into video, just click the link in my description box and you're good to go. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Over here you can just add more videos, images, music, text, logo, elements and templates, or you can just edit over here. So thank you very much to stick by, and see you again.